In this video tutorial, I'm now going to show you how to display the username of the login user, the one created in the WordPress dashboard directly on your website using Elementor Page Builder. And here you wanted to show the username here, right? So let's back to the user profile. This one as the user profile, and I wanted to display this username using Elementor Page Builder, right? Look into this code, and don't worry, I will provide this code in the video description. So I'm gonna copy this code, I'm gonna copy it and back to the WordPress dashboard, and from here and hover on appearance and you will see theme file editor. So I'm gonna click on theme file editor. Make sure you have to select the function.php and your active theme. So my active theme is Hello Elementor and the function.php file is here. I'm gonna click on function.php. If you are using any theme, you can paste the code in your function.php. So at the bottom of this code, I'm gonna paste here, and let's update the file and back to the Elementor Page Builder. Okay, look into here. Here is the icon list, and I wanted to display the username here. So from here, I'm gonna click on dynamic tag and search for the shortcode. I'm gonna click on shortcode, and I'm gonna click again this, and here is the advanced. I'm gonna write here before user name, and then I'm gonna click on this setting, copy this shortcode and paste the shortcode here. Now I'm gonna click on update, and you will see here is the in this case the admin is logging to the site, and this one is the user name. Okay, so I'm gonna give a space here. So I'm gonna click on update, and let's visit this page. Great, now you will see here is the user name. So in this way you can display the username of the login user. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel, comment, like and share